Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Dying Like the Beast crashing on startup or just not launching at all. The first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to Dying Like the Beast under Steam library, right click on it and hit properties. From here you want to make your way over to installed files and then go ahead and select verify integrity of game files. Once you select verify integrity of game files, you can go ahead and X out of this tab, and then you can go ahead and launch Dying Like the Beast, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar, typing in device manager, making your way over to display adapters, right clicking on your GPU and hitting update driver. You can go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers and then let it update. Once that's done, you guys should be good to go. You can also restart your PC. Another way of updating your drivers is if you're on NVIDIA, you can go ahead and open up the NVIDIA app or the GeForce Experience app. Actually, go over to the GeForce Experience app instead. Once the GeForce Experience app is open, you can go ahead and basically update your drivers from here as well. Now, anyways, basically once you update your drivers, I recommend restarting your PC right after, and then once that is done, you guys should be good to go. The final thing you guys can do, by the way, this is how you to go update your drivers from the GeForce Experience app. Go over to drivers, and then there should be an update available button as well. Now, anyways, right here, download. Anyways, once you update and download your drivers, what you guys can do is you can go ahead and the final thing you guys can do is basically, once you have done all of these methods, is go in game and make sure your settings are not set to the highest setting possible. Like, let's just say your PC is not able to handle it. So go ahead and lower down the graphic settings, because that can and will help. And yeah, so that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.